Hi Flutter devs. Looking to enhance your app's user experience with swipeable action, the slidable widget is perfect for adding swipe gesture to your app, allowing users to quickly delete, edit, or perform custom actions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate the slidable widget into your Flutter app and customize it for your need. Stick around to learn how to make your app more interactive. So on my screen here, I have the void main method and the run app method, which takes my app, which is a stateless widget, and returns material app. The material app has home, which takes a slidable example, and the slidable example takes a stateless widget. Now, inside this, I have my scaffold, which takes app bar, and inside the scaffold, I'll be adding the body. I'm going to make use of the list style widget. And then I'm going to have title, which is going to take a widget. And then I'm going to just give it digital power. So let's save this. And here we have digital power. So what I want to do now is that I want to see that once I slide the digital power, I'm able to perform some action. So to do that, all I need to simply do is to wrap this with a slidable widget. Slidable. Now, before you can make use of this slidable widget, you need to first install the Flutter slidable package from your pop dev. Then after installing the Flutter slidable package, you come inside your main.dat and also you import the package into the file that you'll be making use of. Then after that, I come down here, and if you open on the slidable widget, you can see it takes control group tag, and what we are particular about is this start action pane and the end action pane. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of these two. So to do that, you're just going to come here, and let's start with start action pane. The start action pane simply means that when I slide my list view, the actions I want to be able to perform, or the left side, that's what we're going to be adding to the start action pane. While the end action pane is that when I slide my list view to by the right, the actions I want to be able to perform are what I'm going to have here. So let's look at this. This is going to take what we call the action pane, and the action pane takes motion, and it also takes children. So for the motion, if you go to your pop.dev, you're going to see a list of what you can pass to the motion. You can add behind motion, draw motion, scroll motion, or stretch motion. I'm going to be making use of the stretch motion. So I'm simply going to come here, then I'm going to have stretch motion. Then the next one is going to be the children, and this is going to take list. So I'm going to be making use of the list of slidable action, which is going to take on press. I'm going to come back to that, but first let's add an icon, and it's going to add, let's use icons.edit, and also let's give a background color and make use of colors.red. No, let's use gray. And then let's come back to this on press. So when we slide this list style and we have the slidable action, when we click on the slidable action, whatever action we want to perform, that's what we're going to have on the on press. So I simply can come here and say, for now, I can say just print edit, and this is going to take context. And yeah, we can add semicolon here, and then we can say this. So if I should drag this now, you can see I have this here, and if I click on this now, you can see I have edit here. So that's how we make use of the start action pane. So also the same way we have the start action pane, we also have the end action pane. So what we're going to simply do now is that we're going to come here, and then we can add end action pane, and then we can remove this, and let's copy this. So let's add this here, and then yeah, we can change this from green to red, and then we can change this to delete, and let's save this now. So if I slide my list type now, you can see, on the other hand, I have the delete. So if I click on this now, I didn't change the thread. So if I change this to delete now, I'll have delete. And that's it. The slidable widget is a game changer for creating interactive widgets in your Flutter, whether it is editing, deleting, or custom action. This widget makes it seamless. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Thank you.